IWS-6 Ghost. The IWS-6 Ghost is a stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAE, developed by the United States Air Force, USAF. It is designed to be a low observable, high-altitude, long-endurance platform that can conduct intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. The Ghost is also capable of carrying weapons, making it a potential strike platform. The Ghost was first developed in the early 2010s as a replacement for the RQ-170 Sentinel. The Sentinel was a highly successful UCAV, but it was not stealthy enough to avoid detection by advanced air defenses. The Ghost is designed to be much more stealthy, making it much more difficult to detect and shoot down. The Ghost is powered by a single turbofan engine that gives it a top speed of Mach 0.6 and a range of over 3,000 miles. It is equipped with a variety of sensors, including a high-resolution EO/IR camera, a synthetic aperture radar, and a signals intelligence (SIGINT) suite. The Ghost can also carry up to 2,000 pounds of weapons, including air-to-ground missiles and bombs. The Ghost is controlled by a ground-based pilot using a secure data link. The pilot can fly the Ghost remotely or use it to conduct autonomous missions. The Ghost is also equipped with an artificial intelligence (AI) system that can help the pilot to make decisions in real time. The Ghost has been in development for several years, and it is expected to enter service with the USAF in the early 2020s. The Ghost is a significant technological advance, and it is expected to play a major role in future conflicts. Here is a more detailed look at the IWS-6 Ghost's capabilities. Stealth. The Ghost is designed to be very stealthy, making it difficult to detect by radar and other sensors. This is achieved through a combination of features, including a smooth, low observable airframe, radar-absorbing materials, and a stealthy exhaust system. High altitude. The Ghost can fly at altitudes of up to 60,000 feet, giving it a significant advantage over enemy air defenses. This high altitude also allows the Ghost to have a long range with a maximum endurance of over 24 hours. Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR). The Ghost is equipped with a variety of sensors that allow it to conduct ISR missions. These sensors include a high-resolution EO/IR camera, a synthetic aperture radar, and a SIGINT suite. The Ghost can use these sensors to collect information about enemy forces, infrastructure, and activities. Strike capability. The Ghost is also capable of carrying weapons, making it a potential strike platform. It can carry up to 2,000 pounds of weapons, including air-to-ground missiles and bombs. The Ghost can use these weapons to attack enemy targets, such as ground forces, air defenses, and infrastructure. Autonomy. The Ghost is equipped with an AI system that can help the pilot to make decisions in real time. This AI system can be used to identify and track targets, select weapons, and plan attack routes. The Ghost can also be flown autonomously without the need for a human pilot. The IWS-6 Ghost is a significant technological advance, and it is expected to play a major role in future conflicts. The Ghost's stealth, endurance, and payload capacity make it a valuable asset for ISR and strike missions. The Ghost's AI system also gives it the ability to operate autonomously, making it a more flexible and adaptable platform. The Ghost is a major step forward in the development of UCAVs. It is a more capable and versatile platform than previous UCAVs, and it is expected to have a significant impact on the way that wars are fought. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest technology trends and innovations. Thanks for watching.